Oh hey, back again after a bit of a break. Got a package in the mail today from Mantis Laser Academy. You might have seen my earlier review of the Strikeman laser training system, and I had very negative impressions of that. I ended up returning it, and a couple months later I just got this Mantis Laser Academy delivered yesterday. So we're going to unbox it, see what's in it. This will probably post as a separate video, and then I'm going to test this thing out and I'll put a review on it. So, open it up here. There we go. So the Strikeman system, that was about $100. This I ended up paying close to $200 for. It was about $150 for the deluxe kit, and also I ended up getting an extra 380 laser cartridge. So my total all in was about $200, including tax and shipping. So get rid of the cardboard box here. So we have our 380 laser cartridge, and we have the Mantis Laser Academy training kit. And let's open this side. Oh, there we go. And this was paid for with my own money because nobody sends free stuff to somebody with only 450 subscribers. Speaking of which, if you want to help me out, help me reach 1,000, please hit that subscribe button. That is one of my major goals, is to finally get 1,000. And alright, so we got this thing open here. Now the tripod that came with the Strikeman system was complete shit. It was all plastic, not very good at all. So this, the small package here, I believe this is what you get when you buy the $99 kit. Everything else in this box should be from the the $50 upgrade to get the Pro package. So we'll go into the small kit first here. Just set this aside. Alright, so we have a rather tiny tripod, and has the flexi legs. Doesn't feel very rugged, but hey, we'll see. We have the cell phone springy holder thingy. You don't have to use your own pencil. They give you a little wooden dowel to push it in and out with. We have the 9mm sized laser. Put that back. And we have nice neat little cutouts in here. Just show you this here. So you can put your other attachments where they want to go. So that's kind of nice. And we've got a bunch of stuff in a pouch here. Alright, so we got some blue like post-it holders, stick things to the wall. Oops, we have a code for the software. This unlocks full access. On the Strikeman system, you have to pay them like $10 a month, which I think is stupid as hell. This, you buy the package, they give you an unlock code, and then you have full access to their software. The code's under my fingers, you ain't getting that. Let's see here, some advertisements or marketing material. And we have the set of targets, these small targets, for size comparison there. And let's crack these open. Okay. Also, one good thing about the Mantis system, See these little digital type of codes on the corners there? You use the app, it sees the codes, it knows where the center of the target is. There's no screwing around with pinching your circle in and out like you had to do on the Strikeman system, which is a royal pain in the ass, by the way. And after every time you finished, you had to pinch out, reset that circle again. Thing drove me freaking nuts. So we have a control target. I haven't used the software yet, but basically it's to tell the app to start or stop. We have your basic bullseye, again with these codes, so the system knows what this target is. We have a pair of bullseyes. We have your IDPA. We have an IPSC. We have a Baker 27. And actually we have a pair of these. A Baker Thomas 5 Sam. There's another body here. We have a hostage target. That's kind of cool. And actually we got a pair of those as well. We have a dot torture target. We have a silhouette headshot. We have a dartboard. We have a hunt one, which looks like that'd be annoying. And we have what is called an FBI quail. That's the first time I've heard of that particular type of target. So you get a good variety of targets. The app is apparently going to recognize all of these automatically once I set it up, and it'll be good to go. So we'll see how that works out. I'll be testing this thing later today. I just want to get an unboxing video so you can see everything that's in here. It's kind of shoving the stuff back in its little spots here. Oh, put the little tripod in here. I mean, this little tripod, it doesn't feel incredibly rugged, but I would say it feels better than the one that came with the Strikeman. The Strikeman was like a, $5 Amazon Chinese tripod. There, put that back in there, put the little sticky things, and we'll see what we get in the for that extra 50 bucks. Alright, so we have a bigger tripod, which comes in a little carrying pouch. Let's see what's in here. Metal. It's made out of metal. Very nice. Okay. So, it's not a huge tripod. Does this expand? Bear with me as I try and figure out what this little doohickey over here does. It says spare on it. I'm going to show you this because I honestly don't know what I'm looking at yet. It's got a remote. There's a little remote control. I might have to read the manual. But that is kind of it's attached right here on the tripod. So I don't know why it has a remote, but we'll figure that out. And let me see, this is a Yuntang tripod. Does not appear to expand, or I just haven't figured it out yet, but it looks like it is about a foot and a half. But it's a metal solid tripod, so looks like it's pretty decent quality. Oh, and it does also have its cell phone holder. Instead of a springy cell phone holder, This one actually has a little crank out here, so you can lock it in. The other one has like a little spring type cell phone holder. And that obviously just screws right on here. But we'll screw with that in a little bit. Let's see what else we got. Put that out of the way here. And we also get a set of full-size targets, so just again to give you size comparison, which would probably be a whole lot easier to hit those little postcards. So we got full-size 8x11 targets, and they did notify me on the website that they were out of these little target holders. So they provided a little coupon code. I guess I just have to scan a little app here, and they'll send me those target holders when they get back in stock. So that's what those look like. So those also come with a kit. And that is everything in the box. I'm not going to bother unwrapping these because they're the same as the other ones. And that's all I got for you for now. I will be playing with this thing probably after dark because it's 70 degrees and beautiful out today, and I gotta do outside shit. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I do appreciate it. And y'all have a great day. Addendum. Addendum. It does get taller. Alright, so I was getting ready to put away the tripod. You just have to twist to loosen, and then twist again to lock. And the tripod is about 3.5 feet tall, maybe a bit longer, a bit taller. But just wanted to toss that in there. Yes, the tripod does get taller. All right, that's all I got. Have a good one.